let's take a look at the mechanical punk. Comrades, what cool machines have we brought you today? This is an artificial wave pool providing stable waves for surfing enthusiasts. It uses the machine's huge torque to push water to form waves. It is mainly used in water parks, surfing training and other project facilities. It can simulate the ocean environment and provide surfing experiences for tourists. CNC cutting means controlling the movement of the tool through CNC machine tools, so as to realize the precise processing of the bow and arrow. The machining accuracy can reach the micron level, suitable for precise manufacturing of some complex parts. This is a T800 robot made by a netizen. Repair the T800's internal skeleton. It requires some exquisite technology to complete. The design inspiration comes from the movie prototype in Terminator, a cleaning vehicle that can complete the cleaning of a large area of road surfaces at one time. Not only is the production cost low, but also reduces the waste of resources. How to get a jet ski into a speedboat. Actually, it's very simple. Just drive the jet ski slowly towards the entrance of the speedboat. You also need to keep the jet ski stable during the entry process. Make sure to align with the entrance to avoid collisions. This isn't making pearl milk tea for you. These things that look like pearls are actually the ammunition for the simulated toy gun with a smoke silencer. Not only do children like it, as a 30-year-old child, I need this too. It's not just a simple toy, but also a source of joy in children's childhood. This is an onboard multi-barrel close-in weapon system. It can fire 4,500 rounds of anti-aircraft guns per minute, mainly used to intercept incoming anti-ship missiles and other close-range threats. A gantry planer is a machine tool used for rough cutting large bows, driven by a motor to move the gantry, moving along the guide rails of the workbench, thus completing the cutting of the bow. A tractor-mounted land leveler can quickly and efficiently complete large area farmland operations, greatly improves work efficiency, reduces the labor and time costs of farming. This is a high-performance industrial robot. It has very good flexible movement capabilities, suitable for various automated production scenarios, can complete the handling of some materials, assembly, welding, and other work, can work 24 hours a day without interruption, can significantly improve the production line's capacity. Very suitable for completing some highly repetitive tasks. Wow. Let's take a look at the polyurethane PU sponge. The manufacturing process of yellow foam board can be used for sofa cushions, mattresses, etc., to provide comfortable support and good durability.